Right now it's time to make the spring roll. But the first thing is you need to cook the meat and the shrimp. If you like whatever you like it, like chicken, pork, or shrimp, or fish, you have to cook. And on the heat, you don't need to put a lot of water. When you cook shrimp, you don't need to put a lot of water. And when you cook pork, you know, you need a little bit more water for because cooked pork is a little last longer. This one is big size shrimp. See, the big size is wonderful, it's fresh one. We have to cook with the shell and everything, keep the flavor. If you peel off the skin and then you cook it, the flavor is not like a ripe flavor, right? See, the fresh one. This one is soft skin, you know, soft shell shrimp. The other kind is like tiger shrimp, it's hard shell. This one is, I like this one. The flavor and the meat is a little soft. It's good flavor for me. Okay, I have to put the water boil first because if the water is not boiled, the shrimp coming no tasty. So the water boil and put the shrimp in it for 5 minutes and take it out. When you put the shrimp a little fast because I want to make everything even. Okay, move the shrimp a little bit. You have to move the shrimp, flip it over, make the shrimp cook everything well done. You know, when the shrimp is cooked, you have to drain the hot water out and put the cold water in for cool off the shrimp. Easy to peel it. So right now I start to peel it. I use the scissor to cut. You can take off the head. Take off the head. You cut like this. Cut all over to the tail. And then you take off the shrimp like this. And you see, have some black thing over here. You have to take it off too, because this one is, you know, that's it. You clean. We have a clean peeled shrimp. This pork is cooked for about 20 minutes. You put a lot of water. You have to boil a lot of water because this noodle have to move and don't get burned. If you put less water, the noodle on the bottom gonna get burned and stuck on the bottom. So when you cook, you have to move sometimes. I would like to cut the shrimp, peel the shrimp first. You have to peel the shrimp in half. It's easy and it's not much in this one spring roll, one side. This shrimp gonna be very full flavor. The spring roll awesome. In big size like this, I use one shrimp for one spring roll. If it's small size, you can put whatever you like it. You wanna eat more shrimp, you put more. You can cut in half, make a small portion, It's easy when you eat. Like this, and you slice it like this. Okay. Now it's done. The meat is done. Okay. And now we start to clean, wash the vegetable for the spring roll. You know, this cucumber is very, very good. The skin is soft. This is young. You just keep the green. It's very good to keep the green. Have a lot of vitamin. And the carrot already peeled. And you clean up. And now, this Asian herb, like 3 kinds of mint, mix together, kind of mint, 2 kinds mint, and sweet basil. We always eat mixed herb, like they call Asian herb. So everything I just put in, clean right now. Clean and rinse it. You know, you have to use the salad spinner. But right now, I don't have a salad spinner. I just do like this, to take the water off. Finally, with the bean sprout. I clean up bean sprouts, clean. You see the bean sprout? Very, very nice bean sprout, nice and clean. See, now, you just take it off and put in one bowl, basket, like this. Now, everything is done. Now, I would like to cook the noodle, this kind of noodle, they call rice vermicelli. Now come back to the water, want to cook the noodle. The water is boiled. You put this in. And use the chopstick again to move the noodle to inside the pot. Like this. About 7 minutes. This noodle is done. About 6 minutes. Okay, now drain the hot water out. Put the cold water for cool out the noodle. Just take a noodle and squeeze the water out and do like this and lay on the plates. Now we cut cucumber in half, like this, and then slice an angle, long. Like this. It's easy to wrap and put. This one is Chinese chive. This one is Chinese chive. It's very good for the spring roll. So I'm already cut it. I put on the side. I cut like this. This is a Chinese child. I'm already cut it. Now I start to make the spring roll. You have to soak the spring roll skin, this one, in the warm, clean water. And then lay on the top of the board a little bit of oil on the top, because make it's not sticky. If you don't use the oil a little bit, the skin, when the skin is soft, gonna be sticky on the board. So we need to use a little bit of oil. And then the shrimp first, because put the shrimp first, you can see, you know, when we already wrap, we can see what meat is inside. And I would like to put the carrot, make like a little bit of color, you can see from outside, and some green cucumber. And whatever you like it, put first. I think I forgot this one. Bean sprout. And herb. And some noodle. Like this. And finally the lettuce. Break the lettuce a piece, take this side, put like this, and roll it, and close, and go forward. Now, this is the spring roll. Awesome, with the shrimp. Okay, here we go. Phụ Pua nhắm môi con, Phụ Pua nhắm môi. Nè,
How is it?
Yummy, yummy.
Nè, Phụ Pua này. Phụ Pua nhắm môi con này. Nè, chú lỗ xem con, chú lỗ xem. Phụ Pua nhắm gì nhắm.